Tax and Accounting, this is Tammy.
Hey Tammy, I just sent you over my tax info for the year. It's not really organized at all. I'm just hoping you can help me out.
I'll take a look at it and get right back to you.
Try dealing with all the disorganization and chaos of these documents.
What a mess. Apply mass template for quick organization. There, that's much better.
Keep your messiest client documents organized with templates from eFileCabinet. With templates, file naming and organization is done for you. Implement better document management today.